On problem G, since we're only comparing parabolas and circles, we can see this one's a circle. We know that because both x is being squared and y is being squared. The other thing we notice is that this circle does not have its center at the origin. We see that because this is in this form, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. HK is the center of the circle. So the center of this circle is -3, -2. Now to figure out what the radius of the circle is, we see this 25. That represents r squared. So r must be 5. If we go to -3, -2 on our graph, and put our center, just a tiny dot, because it's technically not part of the circle, and then we go 5 units in each direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, if we connect these 4 points with a circle, that's our graph. Now, this also asks for the domain and range. The domain is all the values x can be. So if we look at the graph from left to right, the furthest left the graph ever gets is -8. And the furthest right the graph ever gets is +2. So in other words, all of our x coordinates are between -8 and +2. And we can describe the domain like this. All the x's are greater than -8, and they're less than +2. Now for the range, if we look y-wise, the lowest our graph ever is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. And the highest our graph ever gets is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, +5. So in other words, all of our y coordinates are between -7 and +5.